you meeting someone new in Hong Kong or a Cantonese-speaking area, or even just your local Chinatown? Whether you're making new friends, meeting relatives, chatting with locals, or just trying to practice your Cantonese, here are some essential Cantonese phrases to help you introduce yourself. Let's begin. Let's start with the most important one, saying your name. Number 1, my name is 我叫. This is the simplest way to say my name is in Cantonese. Example, 我叫 Alex. My name is Alex. The word 叫 means to be called, so literally 我叫 Alex means I am called Alex. Repeat after me. 我叫 Alex. Now try it with your own name. 我叫. Excellent. Number 2, what's your name? 你叫咩名? 你叫咩名? This literally means you are called what name? Repeat after me. 你叫咩名? 你叫咩名? What's your name? Well done. Now let's learn how to talk about your nationality. I'm British. 我係英國人. 我係英國人. If you want to say where you're from, you can say 我係英國人. I'm British. It literally means I am a UK person. Easy peasy. You can change 英國, the UK, to another country. For example, 我係美國人. I'm American. 我係加拿大人. I'm Canadian. 我係澳洲人. I'm Australian. Repeat after me. 我係英國人. Great job! Phrase number 4. I am learning Cantonese. 我學緊廣東話. 我學緊廣東話. This is a very useful phrase for beginners. 我學緊廣東話. 學 means to learn. 廣東話 means Cantonese. And 緊 shows that you are doing something now. Say it with me. 我學緊廣東話. Well done! Phrase number 5. I can speak a little Cantonese. 我識講少少廣東話. 我識講少少廣東話. This is such a good phrase to know. 我識講少少廣東話. Repeat after me. 我識講少少廣東話. Well done! And honestly, if you can say this sentence, you already speak a little Cantonese. Phrase number 6. Nice to meet you. 好高興識到你. 好高興識到你. 好高興 means very happy. 識到你 means to get to know you or to meet you. Now say it with me. 好高興識到你. Well done! Now moving on to the last phrase of this lesson. Number 7. Please speak slowly. 請講慢啲. 請講慢啲. This phrase is super useful if you are a beginner because, let's be honest, native Cantonese speakers can speak really, really fast. So if you need someone to slow down, you can say 請講慢啲. Repeat after me. 請講慢啲. Yay! Well done! Now, quick recap. 我叫 My name is. 你叫咩名? What's your name? 我係英國人. I'm British. 我學緊廣東話. I'm learning Cantonese. 我識講少少廣東話. I can speak a little Cantonese. 好高興識到你. Nice to meet you. 請講慢啲. Please speak slowly. Great job! You can now introduce yourself in Cantonese. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit subscribe and come back for the next Cantonese in 3 minutes lesson. You can also contact me for private lessons. See you next time. 下次見. Bye bye!